Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we are gonna go do a look with the Jaclyn Hill Vault Collection Armed and Gorgeous palette. I'm getting ready for my bathroom today. We are moving in the next week, so everything's kind of all over the place. So just a little bit of a different location today. I've already put my foundation on, concealer, powder. I put the Too Faced Shadow Insurance eyeshadow primer on, and I'm going to set my lids with my Makeup Forever powder. So the first shade we're going to take is Access, using the Morphe M441. Tap back in. Gonna go in with Agent, kind of like a burnt orange mustardy shade, same brush. Just kind of go right over that area. Stay a little bit lower down. All right, we finished with that shade. Now I'm gonna go in with the shade Smooth Criminal, this brown right here. I'm gonna switch to a different brush, Morphe M433. And just kind of go below those other two shades and kind of stay on the outer third of your lid. Okay, I accidentally tapped into the shade Prowl because I wasn't paying attention. So we're gonna go back with that shade on this side. Okay, nice and deep. Now we're gonna go back in with that first shade, Access, on the same brush here, the Morphe M433. And we're just kind of gonna go over all of that, blend it together. Now I'm gonna take the shade Guilt Trip, this like more pale gold, on all my makeup is in a box on the floor. So we're gonna take the Luxie 239, spray it with some Fix Plus, Guilt Trip, go, pretty. Okay, I'm gonna take this shade Classified, which is like a true gold. It almost has like a greenish tint to it, on my finger, and I'm gonna put it on the outer edge here. Yeah, it's pretty. Here we go. Just adds a little bit of darker color to the outer lid. We're gonna go back in with that Morphe M433, and we're gonna pick up Prowl again and kind of go over that just to deepen it up a little bit more. I'm gonna take some of my loose powder on the Morphe M441. I'm just gonna kind of blend this all together right here. just so it looks really smooth and not choppy at all. Okay, we're gonna stop there for now. I'm gonna do my brows. I'm gonna come back, we're gonna do the lower lash line, mascara, and we'll be finished. Okay, I am back. I finished the rest of my face. We're gonna do the lower lash line, and we'll do some mascara and a lip, and then we'll be out the door. I'm gonna take that first shade Access on a pencil brush. Go in with the shade Agent. That one. Go in with the shade Prowl. You're going to go back into the Access and you're just kind of work that all together. Okay, you're going to take the shade VIP, put it in your inner corner. I've been using the Rimmel Scandalized 24-hour in black. You just put it halfway down. And then halfway here. There we go. I'm going to use the Tarte Maneater mascara. I'll be right back. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I used the Makeup Revolution liquid lipstick and the lip liner in the shade Bow Down. I think it turned out really pretty. I'm going to take a picture of the finished look when I'm done. My husband came home and has to go to the bathroom, so I'm out of there. Alrighty, you guys have a great day.